DJI drone lineup, upcoming releases, and rumored features. DJI is poised to revolutionize the drone industry with a slew of new models, each packed with cutting-edge features and significant upgrades. The upcoming lineup promises to cater to diverse needs, professionals to beginners. Here's a detailed rundown of the latest rumors and anticipated release dates. DJI Mavic 4 Pro, a successor to the Mavic 3 Pro, featuring a sleek new design, enhanced triple-camera setup, and improved sensors for exceptional low-light performance. DJI Air 3s, a refined dual-camera system boasting a larger sensor, LiDAR technology, and extended flight time. DJI Mini 5 Pro, a compact powerhouse with a 1-inch sensor, 4K video capabilities, and increased storage. DJI Neo, a beginner-friendly drone prioritizing safety and ease of use, with integrated propeller guards, lightweight design, and AI-powered features. These new models are expected to hit the market in the coming months, with release dates ranging from August 2024 to early 2025. As DJI continues to push the boundaries of innovation, drone enthusiasts can expect enhanced performance, improved functionality, and unparalleled flying experiences. DJI Mavic 4 Pro, successor to the Mavic 3 Pro, new, streamlined design with a larger triple-camera setup, bigger sensors for improved low-light performance and sharper images, enhanced obstacle avoidance and tracking features. Production date, February 2024. Release date, unknown, potentially after the DJI Air 3s. DJI Air 3s, a revolutionary upgrade. The DJI Air 3s boasts a sleek, redesigned dual-camera system, engineered to deliver exceptional image quality and enhanced flight performance. Key features include a larger sensor capturing more light and detail, resulting in better low-light performance and higher resolution imagery. LiDAR sensors provide accurate distance measurement and obstacle detection, enabling smoother and safer flights. An upgraded obstacle avoidance system, utilizing advanced algorithms and sensor data to navigate complex environments with ease. Longer flight times, allowing for extended aerial exploration and creativity. The Air 3s is expected to follow a similar release schedule. With its cutting-edge features and refined design, the Air 3s is poised to set a new standard in the drone industry, catering to professionals and enthusiasts alike. DJI Mini 5 Pro, powerful pocket-sized drone. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is a significant upgrade to its predecessor, boasting a range of impressive features. A 1-inch sensor, a substantial improvement from the Mini 4 Pro, capturing more detail and dynamic range. 4K video capabilities at 60 frames per second, delivering smooth and cinematic footage. Ample storage with at least 8 GB of internal capacity, allowing for extended shooting sessions. An impressive battery life of around 40 minutes per charge, enabling longer flights and more creative freedom. Priced between $750 to $800, the Mini 5 Pro offers exceptional value for its features and performance. With a rumored release date of September 2024, this drone is poised to be a game-changer in the portable drone market. Perfect for content creators, travelers, and enthusiasts seeking a powerful and compact aerial companion. DJI Neo, designed for beginners, focusing on safety and ease of use. Fully integrated propeller guards, lightweight and portable, weighing only 135 grams, compatible with DJI Goggles 3 for first-person view flying. Features: AI subject tracking, quick shots, and 4K ultra-stabilized video. Price: $329 for the Fly More combo. Release date: rumored to be around August 20th. Stay tuned for official announcements and confirmation of these rumored features and release dates.